morning. I think day 3.
It is here.
We're getting ready for ATV. It's 7:50.
I'm gonna wear this. I'm not gonna wear a t-shirt. Oh, it's too hot for a t-shirt.
You're doing that?
It's the bed.
I don't know. Bring a shirt just in case they say something.
Oh,
I'm gonna leave it. Ready?
Oh, my stomach. Wait, you're not gonna bring this?
1. Oh. That'd be better.
I don't think she wants to hold it. I forgot a mask. No.
2.
I sound like Charlotte now. This is her signature smell.
3.
Hey, did you bring the brochure?
4. Yes. Mask?
I got it.
5.
I don't got it.
Oh, back to 4.
I thought I had it. Oh, Chloe.
No, just take a new one, bro.
Yep,
And 5. You. Let's go. Dude, look at the room before. When we come back, it's gonna be so clean. They're so good with our hotel service, especially over here too. Dude, they probably take a good minute in our room, bro. 1,
count. 1,
2,
3.
4, 5, and me 6. Yeah. First breakfast. I don't think we ever ate breakfast together. No? Breakfast time. Eat a meal. They got cereal, fruit, can you give me a fried egg? Thank you. Wow, donuts. Yum yum. Oh, friend. Can you get a waffle?
You like it like this or burnt?
Burnt.
Bro.
What is that, a steak? I'm just kidding.
Panini.
Surprise.
Sandwich.
Do it.
So I already eating.
Yum yum.
Yeah, you listen to you fast. No kidding.
Welcome everyone. When you guys are done with your activity, you can meet up right here.
We made it. Ayo. Yeah, not us upgrading to a double bike. I'm dead. Wow, the after. Here. What was that noise? White outfit, red tape. Duncan.
Get it. I'm basic. Wait. Okay.
Alright, we're about to get COVID tests and then take pictures and then head out.
Back here. COVID.
Oh, so fast. Get it, get it. Take her brains. Oh my god. Kim, this is a new experience. They went hella in.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm surprised they didn't.
I'm ready. Oh, sorry.
Look what. More than last time. I wonder if I'm. Oh, the lighting though. Yeah. Oh, that's lousy shit. Oh, just one side. Okay, head count. 1,
5.
3.
Can you get a mask for me? Any?
I got you.
Pink. 4.
Just black. Oh, I can't find it. In the luggage. Our luggage. Oh, I can't bend down.
You signed up.
5. 6. Behind the scenes. Say hi, Charlotte.
Hi. Hi.
One of these pictures gotta do it.
Can't even see myself, but it's hot. My makeup is melting off. Look at my friends.
Okay.
Kim doesn't like her pictures. I'll take yours.
What? Yeah, my makeup's melting off too. There's Kim. She's taking selfies.
Vanessa, can you take my photos?
I'm on photo duty now.
I don't even know my double chin's on here. I can't even see the camera.
Okay, ready? You earlier, you're just touching the tree, right? She went over the tree. Like whatever she's about to do, you do. Okay. Right? Okay.
No, do natural. What you're already doing.
Okay. Okay. Natural. Why are you popping out your chest like this? Who's popping out your chest? Well, is this burst, right? I'm sure, right? Yeah.
Photo shoot ready. Ooh, photo shoot done. We're now gonna hit Mango Deck, our last day. Oh my god, it looks so cute in this lighting. Really kind of oily. You know, look good. I don't look oily? Yeah, I'm gonna period. No, from my powder from Mango Deck time. I'm ready to get fun. Mango Deck.
Where the other one is like kind of far. The other one
Victor did not come through. Oh, Italian ice cream. Hey yo. Okay. What do you want to do? Okay, let's go. Wow, wow, wow. You guys want to sit down there? Oh my god. What's your goal today? To get buzzed? Fucked up? Alright, you too or no? She's like, I'm thinking about it. Steph? Huh? You wanna have a good time? I wanna get buzzed. I wanna be sober. You wanna be sober? Yeah. DD right here, bro. Restaurant was not worth.
Not worth.
100.
We don't recommend mango death.
For real, bro. 137, ain't it?
137. How much is it each?
We're trying to find a churro spot. What? Full CABO experience, right?
Keep your camera on, please. Like that.
So. Ayo! Unless they not us walking late night on the streets. I'm just kidding. You go all the way down, that's the marina.
You never know.
Is he still jumping? Thank you. Alright, birthday shot! Let's go!
Oh my god, I'm 22, guys.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! What the? That's Helen!
My god, I got a full ass water bottle.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
You brought that. So what was in between this? Oh my god. Okay, frigid.
We're packing up right now because we're leaving tomorrow.
You know, I lost the underwear and I didn't even wear it. I really couldn't find it.
Out of these three liquor, I like this one, but everyone's giving me shit about it. I don't know why. I don't want to do that because that's sweet, and
Pour some for
I don't like that.
Awesome, bro.
You don't like London? You like Bacardi or Smirnoff?
I haven't tried it, Mike.
Try a little bit.
You know what? I never tried the shot of Bacardi. I tried it with a mixed drink and I didn't like it. You want to do Bacardi? Bacardi? Everyone's 22 besides Ann and Vanessa. Let's get it.
Yo, I just turned 21.
I know. By the time Helen, oh my god. It won't be never, we'll never be the same age. This one will get me buzzed. I already took 2 shots within like, I don't know how long. Charlotte! Oh my god! Hey, yo, my shot!
Don't spill.
My friend's break. Oh, chill out.
The camera.
Did you just choke me?
Are you okay?
I'm okay, bro.
Are you still recording? Can I play a song for her?
No.
You don't ask me if I'm okay. You're always okay. Yeah, you're a pet.
Wait. Birthday girl cannot take her shot alone with just me. That's just rude.
Cheers.
Cheers. We said we're ready. You never poured us.
Oh.
Okay.
Wow, that's disgusting.
Turn off your
Fuck, for real.
recording. It's time for music.
Hey, yo, this is shot number 4. What? Hey! What? You spilled it, bro. Did it? Pick your choice. Smurl? London, bees.
Wait, which one did you try? Which one did you give me earlier?
Hurry up before I break.
Stop. Which one did you give me earlier?
The London.
I see London. I see friends. I see someone underpants. Ayo. Push it all the way up, bro. What are you trying to do? Period. No one else.
Stop, Charlotte.
Hey,
So much better.
Charlotte.
to our last.
Which one do you want?
I do remember.
Should we make a toast? To the girls I love most.
That's mine.
Oh, it's cute.
I don't know. I don't want either.
A toast to the girls I love most.
Wait, what about the rest of them?
Darla. I'm just kidding.
If I drink this, I'm gonna get the last one.
Where's the... Who's making a speech?
You.
Me?
Queen of speeches. Come in.
After I take a shot because oh, friend, I look a little worried. To our last fucking hours in CABO.
Jesus Christ.
Well, you sound really
I'm ready. I'm ready to go home.
I wasn't
Are you already
finished.
not shot?
Oh, oh, you want me to finish?
Yeah.
Thank you for coming out. Thank you on for actually initiating the trip, bro.
You're welcome.
Oh my god. Oh, she got
Drink it. Make sure you got it.
You never thought it would happen, but here we are, finally here.
really not in
Together, celebrating. First time celebrating Kelda's birthday together. Okay, shot.
Cheers. Who fucking made me cry, bro?
You just looked at me. You started crying.
I know, if Anda initiated the trip, bro, we wouldn't be here because at the Airbnb she pushed it, bro. I don't know where you guys were, but like she pushed the trip, bro. Thank you, Anda.
Did you realize
I manifested CABO, but you fucking made it happen.
Oh, you manifested friends, but
Kim,
Yeah.
Kim, after Charlotte's birthday, we've officially celebrated everyone's.
Vodka is disgusting.
Helen,
Hey, we're taking another shot. Here, shot.
another.
No, but there's so much.
No, like we would never
vodka's
relive
disgusting.
CABO again, bro. You know that, right?
Speak to the camera.
No, why? I speak to you.
Bitch.
Is anyone listening to me?
I poured another one. The other one was.